Hello everyone, kings and queens watching this video. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. As you know, we are back at it again with another curly hairstyling video. Yes. And I'm so excited to be sharing today's content with you guys. But before we get into it, how about you subscribe in the red button down below, turn on post notifications, and leave a like to this video. All right. So let's talk about COVID-19, or Sister Rona, as we like to call her sometimes. You know, Sister Rona has shaken up our world to its core. As a result, many of us have gone from the classroom to the Zoom or virtual environment. And I know you guys have been enjoying a few extra hours of sleep because trust me, I have as well. And the snooze button has never been so real. I know I'm not the only one that has been in the position to ask myself, oh, what do I do in my hair? I'm running late. What can I do in my hair? Do I have enough time to do my hair? Fear not, because after today, after you watch this video, you will know exactly what to do whenever you are running late or want to style your hair for your Zoom or virtual meeting. Today, I have 5 quick and easy hairstyles that you can do on your type 3 hair for a Zoom or virtual meeting. So let's get right into it, y'all.
First and foremost, I present to you the cloud. This style is beyond easy and you only need a pick. The first thing you want to do is divide your hair into 4 similar sections. Section off 3 of those sections by twisting them, as you are going to work on that 4th section. I think we can all agree that perfection is overrated. So don't worry about a perfect twist or a perfect section. All that matters is the picking out of that hair. As you can all see, I simply retwisted each section after going through it with the pick, because who wants their hair to become tangled again? Not me, and not you either. So go ahead and retwist those sections after you pick out that hair. Once you're done picking out that last section, free your hair from those twists that bound them and flip your hair downwards before you go in with that pick one more time. When you've had enough of picking your hair downwards, flip that hair back and it's going to look something like this. And this is the finished product. Now we're on to number 2, the flat twists. The only things you will need are a brush, a rat tail comb, and some hair ties. The first thing you want to do is part your hair down the middle with your rat tail comb. You'll be working on one section at a time, so section off half of your hair with a hair tie. We're going to start working with a small section at the hairline, so go ahead and divide that section into 2 equal parts of hair and twist those 2 sections of hair around each other, moving back along this section. So as you twist your hair, gently incorporate part of the hair from this section into your twists. If your hair is long enough, you're going to reach a point where the twist is no longer attached to the scalp. The curlier and thicker your hair is, the better job it will do at holding itself together without becoming untwisted. However, if your hair is thinner, like mine, you might want to resort to a small hair tie to secure the twist at the end. After finishing your first section, you're going to do the same exact thing on your second section. This is optional, but if you want to enhance these twists, you can add some colorful hair ties or do your edges. And voila, my people, you are done. And this is how it's going to look at the end. Come on, my people, we've come to the 3rd hairstyle, the puff. All you need for this style is some water, some gel, a hair tie, a shoelace, yes, a shoelace, and a hairbrush. First things first, you're going to grab your water and spray it all over the roots of your hair. Next thing you're going to do is brush your hair as if you're going to do a bun. Now let your hair go. Grab some gel and gently put it on the surrounding areas of where your puff will be. Now grab your brush one more time before doing the same thing as before. Brush your hair as if you're going to do a bun. This does not end here. Release your hair one more time. It's the moment of truth. Grab your shoelace, wrap it around your hair, and secure it with a basic knot. Now pull those ends of the string slowly but surely, making progress as you see that puff take form. And look at that puff coming together. Now has come the time to hide the shoelace. You want to hide it the way you hide that food that you want nobody to touch. So you're going to wrap that shoelace time and time again around the puff until it's short enough to do a bow knot, the knot you do to tie your shoes. Now you're done. Did you really think I was gonna say that you're done with this hairstyle? If your hair is shorter than mine, or if you're satisfied, then yes, you're done. But if not, no. Grab that hair tie and tie your hair around 1 or 2 inches above the place where the shoelace is tied. I'm not even going to tell you why. Just look and you're gonna get it. I mean, look at that puff. Isn't that puff amazing? Wasn't tying it worth it? Come on, you tell me. At this point in the style, just tweak and adjust things to your liking. If you think one hair strand is too long, go ahead and hide it in the rest of the hair. Make whatever changes you think are necessary in order for you to be satisfied with how your puff looks. You're not done yet, but this is the last step. Grab your favorite edge control and your edge brush. Lay those edges. I'm talking about swoops, swirls, all of the above. Now take a look at yourself. Don't you like the hairstyle? Aren't you happy with how you look? This is the finished product. Easy? Quick? Then you're definitely talking about number 4, the loose low ponytail. Your essentials for this style are some water, some gel, a hair tie, and a brush. To begin, grab your water. You're going to use it to spray down the roots of your hair. This water is going to help you lay down your hair like those burdens and get a sleek and neat look. Come on my people, pick up that brush and brush your hair as if you're doing a sleek ponytail. Once you've brushed all around, release your hair. You're not going to tie it yet, so there's no reason to keep it imprisoned in the grasp of your hand. Now grab your gel, put some on your hand and place it in the same areas where you sprayed your water. Once again my people, grab your brush and brush your hair as if you're going to do a sleek low ponytail. Now it's time for you to grab your hair tie and simply place it around your hair. Don't twist the hair tie, don't loop the hair tie. That would defeat the purpose of the loose low ponytail. Just let your hair be wild and free. This part is optional and it totally depends on the amount of time you have left, but if you do have the time, grab your favorite edge control and your edge brush and lay those edges. Yes, we're talking about swoops, swirls, and everything in that realm. Take a good look at yourself. You are done with this hairstyle. I mean, don't you just love it? This is one of my personal favorite hairstyles, and boom, look at that puffiness. Man, I really love this loose low ponytail. And there you have it. That's style number 4, the loose low ponytail. Last but certainly not least, we have style number 5, the wet hair look. To accomplish this look, you only need 2 things, some water and some gel. Go ahead and grab your water. You're going to spray this water all over your hair until it's damp. Not dripping wet, not super wet, but damp, or whatever you consider to be enough. For the second and last step of this hairstyle, you just need to grab your gel. Open up your gel and get ready to apply that all over your hair. This is what's going to make your hair look wet. And yes, your hair is technically wet, but once your hair dries, you want it to remain looking wet. So this gel is going to do the job. So be generous when getting and applying your gel. Looking good never hurt anyone. There's no set amount of gel that you should put in your hair, but when you feel like it's enough, listen to your intuition and put the gel away. Well, my people, this is it. This is the wet hair look. You put the gel, you put the water, and this is how the finished product will look.
After putting your hair into one of these 5 styles, you can go ahead and add a little bit of spice if you want to, by adding a little bit of lip gloss on those lips or some mascara on those lashes. And now you are ready to join that meeting feeling and looking gorgeous, looking great, looking beautiful. Like, whoop, give it up for your style. Yes. We have come to the end of this marvelous video. Now you can say you know exactly what to do when you are running late for that meeting. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Which style was your favorite? Is there any other style you'd like to see me do on my hair or you would like a tutorial for? Let me know in the comment section down below and I will do my best to make it happen. Now people, don't forget to subscribe, show some love, press that red button down below, leave a like and turn on post notifications. Thanks for watching.